How to fix your IT administrator has limited access on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are encountering the message your IT administrator has limited access on Windows 11, it typically means that your user account has been restricted by the system administrator or group policies set up by your organization. This can happen due to different access issues such as administrator enforcing certain restrictions to maintain security and control over the network and devices. While this has some of the advantages such as enhanced security, compliance, standardization, and prevention of misuse. But there are more disadvantages as well, such as reduced flexibility, dependency on IT support, potential or over restriction, and much more. The very first solution to this is right click on the start button and open your terminal in administrative privileges, or you could open command prompt as well, and then paste the command which has been given on the description box, which is set my preference UI lockdown 0 and then exit it. If this does not work, let's move on to the next solution. For this, you have to open regedit or registry editor. Go to the location mentioned, which is Computer, HK Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows Defender, and Policy Manager. Delete all the files except for the default file as shown on the screen, and then you have to restart your computer. Now, if you try to access, the issue should be fixed. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.